As declared earlier, 7th of December, that is Monday onwards, the Joint Movement Committee of 10,323 terminated teachers started their mass sit-in protest in front of Agartala city centre. Sacked 10,323 teachers have kicked off massive protest at city centre today, which is said to be continued for an indefinite period of time till the government fulfills its promise given to the teachers. Yesterday evening, a massive rally was conducted by the terminated teachers, asking the government to fulfill its promise while calling all the 10,323 terminated teachers to join the protest. The retrenched teachers reminded the BJP-led state and central government what it had promised prior to 2018 assembly election. But as the double-engine government in Tripura failed to keep its promise given to the 10,323 teachers, today the terminated teachers have kicked off fresh protest seeking their livelihood. Total 3 organizations have joined in this joint movement from Monday. They are namely All Tripura 10,323 ad hoc teachers, Amra 10,323 and Justice for 10,323. In order to break the silence of the ruling government since 2.5 years of rule and to force the government to fulfill its promise, the agitating teachers have united in Joint Movement Committee. Thousands of teachers have joined the agitation program and said that they will continue the protest until their demands are met. Talking to the media, an agitating 10,323 teachers said it has been more than 2 months that Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb had given promise to save our lives, but till date he has not given a single statement regarding us. If the words of the Chief Minister of a state has no value, what can we expect from the government and what should we do? Therefore, finding no other option, we have started a fresh joint agitation which will end only when our livelihoods will be saved as per the promise made to us.
রাখেননি ওনার মুখের কথার দাম রাখেননি বলে আমরা আমাদের সারা রাজ্যের 10,300 শিক্ষকরা এবং আমাদের পরিবাররা আজকে থেকে অনির্দিষ্টকালের জন্য গণ অবস্থানে শামিল হয়েছি। আজকে শুরুয়াত হলো সারা রাজ্যের আপামর জনগণ এবং শুভবুদ্ধি সম্পন্ন মানুষ এবং আপনারা মিডিয়ার ভাই বোন, আপনাদের ঘরে ঘরেও আমাদের 10,323 ভাই বোন আছে, আপনারা সবাই আমাদের প্রতি সহানুভূতিশীল, আপনারা সবাই আমাদেরকে সাহায্য করবেন, আমাদের হয়ে কথা বলবেন, আমাদের কথাগুলো রাজ্য সরকারের কানে পৌঁছিয়ে দেবেন, কারণ ওনারা কর্ণপাত করছেন না, ওনাদের মুখের দাম নেই। এটা কি ধরনের সরকার, কি ধরনের মানে একজন সরকার প্রধান মহাশয় কথা।
Notably, the Chief Minister of the state called them to the Secretariat and promised a permanent solution to their problem within 2 months. But the 2 months' time has passed since last Wednesday, but the promise has not been fulfilled yet. The day 1 of sit-in protest demonstration started by 10,323 Joint Movement Committee saw huge gathering of terminated 10,323 teachers. Bureau Report, Halabol.